Hello everyone. I thought today I will do a video outside. It's summertime now here in England, so it's nice and sunny. But on the flip side, it's a bit challenging for me because I have very serious hay fever. So for the past few days, I've been taking these hay fever tablets, and they make me so drowsy that it is very, very difficult for me to actually do anything. So the most important reason why I created this video is to let you know what is happening with our design system and Crafter Pro. Because when Crafter Pro was created, basically it is at the core of how we design websites with Divi 5. And it makes the whole job of designing websites, really fun, very consistent, easy to use, and most importantly, it increases the time you take to design websites. So right now I'm working on version 3.0 of our design system because Elegant Themes added a lot of features. I mean, a lot of modules, a lot of features. So the design system had to be built from the ground up. I mean, literally the ground up, from all the text presets, even the variables. Everything was designed from the ground up because I had to incorporate all the latest features. The reason why I decided to do that was because I don't want a situation where I keep making a lot of updates to the design system, because for some of you who are freelancers, you're going to spend a lot of time working on a website and then there's a lot of updates. It's just a big headache. So since right now we have a lot of updates and it looks like Divi 5 is now stable, I thought it was a good time to just pretty much build everything from the ground up. And the way it's going to be done is we're going to have a 7-day countdown starting tomorrow. So I'll be sharing with you the progress on it. So every day you'll be seeing what I've finished in the design system, and until let's say 7 days, which is next week, Monday, Tuesday, I think we should be done. And then we can do a huge celebration. We'll do a live show and we will do a Q&A as well. So for those that are new to the design system, we can do a massive Q&A. We can hang out and talk about pretty much how we're going to be designing websites with Divi 5. So I'm super excited about it. I know I left it open-handed because I hadn't mentioned that it was going to be available at a specific time. So here is the official timeline when the design system is going to be available. So next week, Monday, Tuesday. So we're giving it about 7 days, and every day you will get an update and you will see what has been added to the design system. The other thing also I wanted to mention is, for those of you that purchase Crafter Pro, which is the design system, it also includes things like the theme builder. It also includes all the websites that I'll be packaging within Crafter Pro. These are called starter sites. They're going to be based on the design system itself. So that package itself, you're going to get the design system update absolutely free. You don't pay anything extra. So what I also decided to do is, there are some people who may not want to have the full Crafter Pro experience. Maybe they want to design 1 or 2 websites. They're not a design agency. So it might be, it's quite expensive to then invest in a complete Crafter Pro for $297 a year. So what I've done is, or what I've decided is, for the design system itself, it's going to be sold separately for those that just want the design system to design websites. So I'm going to have a price, an introductory price, before the actual launch. So I'm going to create a landing page for that specifically, and then we can pretty much, purchase that at any given time. But for anyone who has the Crafter Pro license, it's going to be bundled in, and you don't have to pay anything extra. Now, I really believe that even with the AI that's coming up, which Nick mentioned, definitely you're going to need a design system, because the AI, yes, you can tell it to do a few things here and there, but the most important part of the design system and Crafter Pro is you are going to have all your modules designed for you. You're going to have the primary version, you're going to have the default version, and you're also going to get the dark mode version. So that in itself is a lot of work. Every single module is going to be designed ready for production. So that alone is a huge time saver. No AI can do this for you. Absolutely not. AI is going to be a very good addition, but it won't be able to automate all of that for you. Secondly, you'll be able to export your design system. Again, that's a huge game changer. That is very, very, very important. So the design system is going to be a part of our workflow moving forward. So pretty much, I thought I'll just give you a quick update as to what is going on, because man, it's been a bit challenging, as I mentioned earlier on. The hay fever situation is just crazy. I took some tablets this morning and I was just feeling so drowsy. I just felt like sleeping. I couldn't do anything. Even just sitting on my desk, you know, my eyes were heavy and I couldn't do anything. But hopefully now the medication I'm taking has kicked in and I feel a lot more energy right now. As you can see, I'm out and about and doing this video for you. I mean, if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll do my best to respond to them. And if I'm running a bit late on responding to tickets, support tickets, please bear with me. All of that will be dealt with as soon as possible. All right, guys, thank you very much and see you soon. Take care.